This is going to be the best Tahchin recipe video you will ever see in your life. Now don't miss out and watch. Watch how this beauty, oh look at that. Watch how this is going to be made. Ooh, lovely. That was so delicious. Okay,
right, so you want to add 1.5 cups of rice to a bowl.
Basmati.
Yep. And then give them a good wash. You need to wash them a few times and then leave them to soak for an hour.
Could not leave it for an hour, but it's nicer when it is left.
Yeah, it's nicer when it's soaked. So then add some olive oil to a pan and add your finely chopped onion.
Red onions or white, whichever you prefer. We prefer red.
We're not colorist. Then you want to cook the onions till they soften a bit and add the strips of chicken breast.
Chunky chicken breast. Lovely.
Yep.
Looks really nice.
And then just keep giving that a mix and leave it by itself until it's whitish.
That's some good mixing skills right there. Well done.
And then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. This turmeric's from barley, isn't it?
Yes, it
Oh,
is.
yeah, it's barley. It's actually really nice. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper.
That one's from Tesco, I think.
No, not advertising. Then let the spices cook. And then I just add a little bit of water because it just makes it a bit more juicy.
Saucy.
Yeah, we like the sauce in the food.
Yeah, it needs to be done.
And then you want to add some barberries.
You get barberries from any Middle Eastern, Iranian, Persian shop.
Yeah, but just wash them beforehand.
Make
But
sure they're
add
washed.
them when they're dried. And then give them a little
They've
cook
got
around.
a really nice sour taste.
Yeah,
so
so
you're
you want
balancing
to
it with the sugar.
balance it with 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then let that cook. And these steps you want to do quite fast because the barberries can burn quite easily.
They turn black.
Yeah.
If they've turned black, start again. You've messed it.
Messed it up. So then you want to add some brewed saffron.
Lovely. So you just put in half a teaspoon of saffron in boiling water and let it brew for a few minutes. And then it gives you this sauce.
Ours is ground saffron, which is why it's gone quite a bit brighter. And then just give that a mix, but turn the heat off straight away.
Okay.
Then
Lovely.
you want to shred the chicken. You don't have to, but it just has a nicer texture and we prefer it that way.
Yeah. So it's more, you get more of an even chicken taste rather than chunks.
Yeah. So just keep shredding it all, but not too shredded, just what you can
slightly
see
separated as you're doing there.
Yeah. And then you want to get 1 cup of yogurt and
thick
add it
that
to
is.
a bowl. This is thick because it's Greek yogurt. You don't have to use Greek yogurt. So I just added water to get it to the right consistency.
Lovely.
You wouldn't need to do that if you used like a natural set yogurt.
Yeah, the watered down stuff you get in the supermarkets.
Yeah. But this is the sort of consistency that you want it to be.
Okay, good. Looking good.
Then next you want to add 2 egg yolks.
Completely separated from the white, as you can see.
Whatever. It's not easy to separate them, honestly. I did a good job.
You did.
Then you want to add brewed saffron.
Lovely.
Again, 4 teaspoons I added. You can add whatever you want for colour and flavour.
If you add too much, it's a bit bitter, isn't it? So
Yeah.
and too little, there's no flavour. So 4 teaspoons is a good amount.
Then give that a good mix.
Lovely. Look at that skill.
You know me. Then after that, you want to add your olive oil.
4 teaspoons to be precise.
Yep.
Nice.
And the olive oil just gives it a nice glossy look.
I like the flavour of it as well. It's
Yeah.
nice with the flavour.
It's lovely. So just give that a good mix. Make sure it's all mixed well together because you don't want some oily bits and some yogurty bits.
Jobs are good, and look at that.
And
That
then
looks
that's
amazing.
everything that you put in your yogurt mixture. Then you want to boil your rice, usually for around 10 minutes, and you want it to not be fully cooked.
So when you split it like that, you get a very thin, solid white line inside it.
Yeah, you don't want it to be mushy at all.
Yeah.
Then add the rice and the yogurt mixture together and fully mix it.
Look at that. Lovely. That looks amazing already.
Yeah, painting.
Looks fully pink.
Then you want to get your pan ready for the layering process. So add some brewed saffron, just whatever you feel like,
Look at
basically.
that. Lovely.
Yeah, make sure it mixes all together.
That's your little expert skill right there, getting
Yeah.
the corners in there.
Put it all up the sides. It makes it nicer when it comes out. So you want to get half of your rice mixture and add it and press it down. Make sure you press it down.
Nice. Look how even that's going to be.
Lovely. You have to give it a good press because it comes out like a cake sort of thing at the end.
Piece of cake.
So then you add your shredded chicken evenly.
Nice. Oh, look at that. How even is
Boom.
that? Okay.
And add
then
all of the chicken. And then after that, just add your
the rest of your rice mixture.
your other half of rice. And give that a good press again.
Pressing is really important at this stage, isn't it?
Pressing is very important because it just won't come out like solid.
Yeah.
The whole point is like you turn it over and it comes out solid.
You want the top there to be nice and flat as well. So when you flip it round, it's nice and even.
Flat, yeah. So give it a good press.
Lovely.
And then I sprinkle some cinnamon on.
This gives
before
it such a
steams.
lovely aroma, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's just got a nice cinnamon vibe to it when it comes out.
Sometimes you put it on the chicken layer as well. I've noticed in the past.
I do that. That's nice as well. So then cook for 1.5 hours, but make sure it's on very low heat.
Look at that steamer on that lid.
From here on.
Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Piece of
Get
cake.
in there.
That looks really nice.
So now you have it, your nice little golden vibes. So then it needs to be decorated, and you just leave your husband to decorate it when he comes home from work. And he acts like he's made it all, but really he just came home from work, poured some stuff on and ate it.
Come on now, I did cut it as well.
True. There you go.
Lovely. Look at them cutting skills. That looks so nice. I'm hungry again.
I hope you guys enjoy it.
I hope you guys do. Make sure you comment below on your experience in making this. Make sure you subscribe. That's the main thing.
Yeah, subscribe.
And share it with all your friends.
Your friends, your mum, your dad, your auntie, your uncle.
Your baba, your uncle, Bob's your uncle.